Look at the entire space. Wow, very beautiful. It's a king-size master bedroom indeed. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Shubhra Rani and I am here at Bengaluru exploring a project in Provident Housing Limited. And today we are doing a 3 BHK sample flat tour. But before we do that, let me tell you what Housey is all about. Housey is India's first real estate platform which connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you the bottommost rate. Unlike other real estate platforms where you make an inquiry, your number is shared to multiple brokers and you get hundreds of calls. But here in Housey, you are connected directly with the main source, that is the builders. So no more running around. Book your dream home directly with the builders on Housey. So talking about the project, this is a spread over 16 acres of land. It is one of a kind project because of more than 70% area dedicated to greenery. There are 9 towers in total with 18 to 24 floors each, offering 2 and 3 BHK flat variants. And today we are going to have a sample flat tour of a 3 BHK with 1500 square feet dimension area. So as connectivity is the key, Hope Farm metro station is just 10 minutes away. ITPL and Whitefield a mere 15 minutes away. Schools, colleges and other essential facilities are very easy reach. And when it comes to amenities, you have got 36 plus here. Tennis courts, swimming pools, you name it, it is here. Special highlights are the solar and rainwater harvesting facilities, thereby committing to a greener future. Welcome to Housey. This is Shubhra Rani and we are going to explore together a 3 BHK sample flat tour in the project of Provident East Lal Bagh by Provident Housing Limited. So let's dive in. So as we step in, you can see a very beautiful passage area, very elegant, let me tell you. And wow, look at the entire space. This the living area, you can see, perfect for sitting back and relax. Now right in front of this living area is your dining space. Again, very beautiful. Okay, now moving on to the balcony area, you have that cozy space in which you will be chilling very likely. Now moving on to the kitchen area. Yes, wow, very beautiful. You have got the entire spaces for all your kitchen items and many more. You have got the granite slab with stainless steel wash basin and a window for the lovely natural light to come in, and the entire space for refrigerator and washing machine. Moving on, we have this corridor passage area where it takes to bedroom number 1. Let's welcome you all here. Wow, what a space. And let me tell you, you have got half French windows, inbuilt wardrobes, very elegant looking, right? Having a bed, you have entire space for your walks and strolls where you can think and brainstorm things. Now come on, let's look in the washroom space. We have got anti-skid tiles, high-end fittings and wall-to-wall fittings as well. Very beautiful, elegant and with style. Now moving on to bedroom number 2, you have got an entire cozy space again with half French windows, and even after having a bed, you have got the entire space for your strolls of brainstorming, right? Also, you have got the inbuilt wardrobe, which is again very elegant. Now check out the washroom space area, which has got anti-skid tiles, end-to-end fittings, high-end fittings again for you all. Now let's dive in. And before we get into the master bedroom, let's understand first what is Housey all about. So Housey is India's first real estate platform which connects home buyers directly with the builders. Here are some key features you got to know. Number 1, we help you explore the entire location of the projects. The 360-degree view of the project, that is number 2. And number 3, we help you explore the sample flat tours like we are doing right now. And number 4, we also help you explore the pros and cons of the projects to help you make informed decisions. And number 5, we have got you covered with the entire pricing systems, including EMI and down payment details. After checking everything, if you feel that you should go ahead, just log into Housey.com, book a free site visit or a virtual meeting in just 3 simple steps. Okay, so you're sorted now. Now it's time to check the master bedroom. Let's dive in. And as we step in, you have got the entire space here, and wow, just look at it. It's a king size master bedroom indeed, with your proper study space or whatever you want to use it for. The inbuilt wardrobes are there. You have got a big bed over here. So you have got a cozy balcony space over here attached, right? And one thing attached you are getting is the washroom space, where you have got the anti-skid tiles, high-end fittings, wall-to-wall fittings, perfectly with style and elegance. So how did you like the entire project? If you did like it, you can download an e-brochure given in the description box. Also, you can book a free site visit by logging into Housey.com in just 3 simple clicks. And you know the drill. If you like the entire video, do hit a like button. In the comment section, let us know what did you feel like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so very much. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Provident Botanic, located in Whitefield, Bangalore by Provident Housing.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.